Look, there's nothing, absolutely nothing in our religion that teaches us that we cannot be good, patriotic citizens in a non-Muslim land. If we tie the previous topic that I just mentioned with this topic, with this idea of citizenship and so on and so forth, and residing peacefully with non-Muslims, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, and this is an authentic narration, it's very powerful, he said, don't fight with the Abyssinians if they don't fight with you. Don't fight with the Turks if they don't fight with you. And this is a theme in the Quran, that fight against those who fight against you. And that God does not prohibit you from having a good relationship, from being friendly towards those that don't fight you. So this idea of people that don't fight you, you should always look for peace. You should look for a situation where you can have peaceful relationships and so on and so forth. Not only that, but patriotism. This concept of being a good citizen wherever you are. The Muslims functioned as a minority in Abyssinia very well in the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And they lived under a Christian majority, and they were fine with it. They were able to function, they were able to be good citizens, and so on and so forth. So there is nothing wrong. In fact, it is fully in accordance with our faith that you not only are a Muslim, but you are a citizen of your country, and you should love your country, and you should be a person of great reformation and a person who brings great good. Islam stresses, just like Christianity and Judaism, the idea of being good to your neighbor, loving your neighbor. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he says that the angel Gabriel came to me and he kept on telling me to serve my neighbor to the point that I thought that he would assign inheritance to him. That the neighbor is stressed so much in Islam. And it's not a PR campaign. You're not doing this to show that you're a decent human being. You're doing this because you are a decent human being, because you are a Muslim, because your faith teaches you that.
It reminds me of Jesus being asked the question, so who is my neighbor really? And then Jesus launches into this story that lifts up someone that no one would assume is the neighbor of the person questioning, and offers that broader perspective. So it's good to hear that, and that's I think another just strain of connection and a point of connection.
Sure, absolutely.